Good afternoon, and welcome to our 2012 Miners Town Hall meeting entitled Best Practices for Preventing Emergencies in Underground Mines. Thank you all very much for coming. My name is Joseph Flick. I'm Program Manager of the Miner Training Program at Penn State University. This event is hosted by the Penn State Miner Training Program and also through and with the generous support of industry. This program is made possible through an MSHA, Mine Safety and Health Administration, Brookwood-Sago funding grant. Brookwood-Sago funding grants are a part and a result of the 2006 Miner Act, and they became effective with first distributions in 2007. Since 2007, Penn State Miner Training Program has been a successful award winner in a competitive grant process, and we have developed numerous training products, and they are made free and available to the mining community of Pennsylvania and the world. They can be accessed at www.minerstownhall.org. The purpose of this town hall meeting is to provide information that can help miners everywhere prevent emergencies in underground mines. I would like to acknowledge members of our staff who have played a role in this production, this process, and other deliverables. Mr. Bill Kinsey, Mr. Bill KLAUSS, Dr. Raj Ramani, Dr. Mark Radomski, Sarah Peterson, Megan Van Orden, and my colleague, soon to be introduced, Dr. Larry Grayson. And with that, I also wish to thank our corporate sponsors who have been very generous with their support of our projects and our programs. They include the Pennsylvania Bureau of Mine Safety, PBS Rocks Coals, Alpha Natural Resources, Amfire Mining Company, Garrett Limestone Incorporated, Genmar Corporation, and Brady's Bend Corporation. I also extend a profound and sincere thanks to MSHA for their continued support of our programs and for their confidence on our abilities to produce quality materials leading to world-class safety. It's my pleasure to introduce to you my friend and colleague, Dr. Larry Grayson, who will be the moderator of this panel discussion. Larry is a professor of energy and mineral engineering at Penn State University, and he is also the holder of the George H. Jr. and the Ann B. Dyke Chair in Mining Engineering. Thank you all for coming, and to our panel members. And Larry, welcome and thank you.
Thank you very much, Joe. And thank you to our expert panelists for participating today. At this point, I would like to introduce our panelists for you. Tom Todd joined PBS Coal in January 2009 after about 22 years with MSHA. Previous to MSHA, he worked as a mining consultant. With MSHA, he held positions as a mine inspector, a health specialist, a ventilation specialist, accident coordinator and investigator, field office supervisor, staff assistant, and assistant district manager in Morgantown, West Virginia. He received Secretary of Labor Exceptional Achievement Awards, was chief judge for the National Mine Rescue Contest, is a professional engineer, and was a mine rescue team member for 17 years. He traveled to coal mines in India and Ukraine and competed in international mine rescue contests in Poland and China. He is a graduate of the University of Pittsburgh with a BS degree in mining engineering. Tom?
Hey.
Tim Segman has been in the underground coal industry since 1976 with 36 years of experience in numerous mining positions with U.S. Steel, Consol Energy, and Cumberland Coal Resources, now of Alpha Natural Resources. His jobs include everything from a general laborer through motorman, rock duster, roof bolter, and longwall shear operator. For 7 years, he was an emergency response plan instructor. For the past 2 years, he's a mine trainer. Prior to June 2010, he was selected by Alpha Natural Resources and Cumberland Mine Management to teach Alpha Natural Resources running right safety culture for all salaried and hourly employees at Cumberland Mine. He's been a staunch UMWA member for many years. Jeffrey Stanchek started his mining career with the Island Creek Coal Company in Johnstown, PA. working as a general miner, coal production, and eventually as a mine mechanic. He also served on the mine rescue team. In 1980, he accepted a position as mine rescue and first aid instructor for the Bureau of Deep Mine Safety and has participated in rescue and recovery work at the 1985 Newfield mine fire, the 1981 Wolf coal mine explosion, the 1983 Helen mine explosion, the 1984 Greenwich Collieries mine explosion, and served as the safety site coordinator for the 2002 Q Creek successful mine rescue. He was promoted to emergency response and training manager position in 2006. Since then, he is responsible for assuring that the Commonwealth's underground operations comply with and exceed the federal standards for mine rescue and emergency response. Jeffrey? Rick Schwartz has 35 years of mining experience, including 23 years underground and some surface duties as a miner for R&P Coal Company. 6 years as an enforcement inspector for metal and non-metal mines in MSHA in the Northeast District, and 6 years to the present as a training specialist under Education Field Services Supervisor for now, and for both coal and non-metal for MSHA Education and Policy Development. He reviews all training plans for Part 48 and all instructor applications for the Northeast District Manager. Rick, thank you. Thanks again to all of you.